Hello friends, this is Sunil and I welcome you all to my channel, that is Amazing Skills. And in this session we are going to have a simple steps, easy steps of drawing the caricatures or cartoons. Dear friends, before starting, let me take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to all my participants and for their encouraging response. Huge response I got for the first, that is introductory session. I got some very encouraging suggestions also. One of the suggestions I must mention here is that one of my participants have mentioned that instead of giving emphasis to so many theoretical things, I should rather practice more on the board. I do agree with you, friend. I will focus on the practice. So in the introductory session, what we have done, I have drawn 1 0. In that session, I mentioned that a person who is not having any knowledge of cartooning or sketching can do well if he or she practice. So I made mention of 3 rules: practice, practice and practice only. To that rule, I can add one more rule. We have to have a keen observation. We should observe the things with purpose. So what we have to observe? Whenever any personality comes in front of a cartoonist, he observes 2 things. One is prominent features of that personality. Prominent features can be anything: his physical structure like height or shape. He may be very tall, may be very short, or very fat, or very slim. These are some of the prominent features, physical features. Second, on the face he may have some long ears or long nose, small eyes, a very big eyes, like this, a very long neck or short neck. These are some of the features which cartoonist marks observe. Then we have to convert these observations, that is meaningful or prominent features, into reality, that is on paper or the board. So what is important? First, observe the things with purpose, and second, try to convert these observations into reality. So I will start. I have started the 0. What we have done, I will just complete it first, then I will explain the things. Then this is a simple sketch. This is a simple sketch of a person just drawn in front of you. This is a very easy drawing. Anybody can practice it. So first thing, you have to practice zeros. In a 1 stroke, you should be able to draw. Some of my participants I have observed, they are drawing like this. By observing this, they are just doing like this. So this is not required. What is required is, in a 1 stroke you should be able to draw the circle, ellipse or oval shape. This is very important prerequisite. Okay. Then second, I have mentioned that to become a perfect cartoonist, your keen observation. That means what are the prominent features of that personality. So one of the prominent features, I can make a change to this personality on one of the prominent features, say ear. So I will make these ears some extraordinary, like this. So what I have done, I have changed the shape of ears. Actually, see, the basic difference I must mention here, the basic difference in a normal drawing and a caricature is, a normal drawing have a perfect dimension or proportion. Face, height, length, everything is in proportion, proper dimension. Whereas in cartoon, we have freedom over this perfect. We can have choice. We can change. What is the main purpose of caricature or cartoon? To create humor, to make the people laugh. While seeing this, because this is not possible. No person will have such type of ears, but in cartoon we make it. So now I will just restore it to. So this is the one of the feature where we can work, where we can practice. So as a assignment, we just draw oval and start from various types of ears like this. You can have small ears, you can have very long ears like this, anything. So this is first prominent part where you can have sufficient practice. So I will just draw a normal ear here. Now second part, coming to eye. These are simple two dots. What I can do with these eyes? I can have single line like this. This is also one of the caricatures. Very short eyes. So it will create humor. Or I can have like this. Very big eyes. So this is the prominent feature of this personality, the personality having a very big eyes. Or now coming to the most important part, the most of the caricatures artists or cartoonists focus on one very important element of the face, that is nose. This is a very important part where most of the cartoonists focus. So I will just make a change in nose. I will just keep as it is. By changing nose, see, this nose can be single two dots. Correct? This is also one type of nose. Or I can make it a very wide. So what is the basic purpose is to make this image in such a way that the observer or whosoever is looking at it, it should create humor. So that is the main purpose of cartoons. That is, I can say, we should be able to exaggerate the things, exaggerate the body portions. So I can make this like this. This is very long nose and then very short mouth. So this is also a one type of personality which is having very long nose. So as a cartoonist, you should focus on this prominent feature. I can bring this nose to like this. So it will definitely create a humor. By observing this, anybody will say how it is possible, but in cartoon it is possible. You can have full freedom of making the things or exaggerating the things. So now I will just make it simple curve, or I can say here also just this line is sufficient to draw a nose. So there can be variety of shapes or variety of nose. In the coming episode, I will be focusing, episode wise I will be focusing on each organ. I'll just to have sufficient practice. Okay, let me make it normal. Now the remaining part is mouth. I can make this mouth like this. Okay, I can make mouth like this. I can make this mouth like this. Correct? I can make this mouth like this. This is unhappy, sad. Or I can make mouth like this. So these are the variety of things we can make with mouth. So I will just make it. Okay, here to this cartoon I can add one more thing. About the mouth, there is one part where we can have, as a cartoonist, that is mustache. I can have such type of and then so this is also the part where we can have a very nice variety like this. We can change this mustache to simple like this, or we can add along with mustache. So these are the various prominent features of a personality, very big mustache or very small like this. So now I will just make it normal. Okay. Now coming to the upper part, that is this part, that is hairs. I can make this person a bald, no hairs, or I can add side hairs or some hairs like this. This is also one of the prominent features, a person bald or side hairs. These can be the prominent feature of a personality. Then hairs also we can have variety of options. I can make it curly like this. This is also one personality which is having curly hairs, or I can have straight hairs like this. Okay. Then to ears also I can add one speck, complete it. So the speck is also one of the prominent features of a personality. Or here also eyebrow, I can have very prominent eyebrow like this. Okay. So there are variety of things where we can play with the caricature. So with this I can give you some assignments that you just draw the zero and make a practice to make different types of shapes. It is not like that you should practice or you should just copy it. In caricatures we should be able to make anything like this. Initially you can just draw this zero, one dot, simple nose like this. From this you can start and then you can reach to this. So this is a simple cartoon. You make various changes. Here also I can simple mustache like this, then like this, then go on adding the other elements like this. So these are some of the features of the face where we can have enough practice. This is my little attempt to make you aware how to make the changes in the zero so that there should be some meaningful personality. So dear friends, if you are satisfied with this video or with this caricatures practice or this tutorial, please give your like. In the comment box you can suggest me the changes if you want in future, because your suggestions will play a very important role in uploading my coming videos, because I will incorporate the suggestions you made. In that sense it is very important. If you are not subscribed my channel, it is my request to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that in future whenever I upload such videos you will be getting the notifications. So thank you friends. It is very nice with you. With your encouragement I will be definitely motivated to bring more and more innovative videos of drawing the caricatures. Thank you and have a nice time.